Kiran Verma started his 21,000 kilometers walk for blood awareness in India from Thiruvananthapuram on the 28th of December 2021. Verma is a Delhi-based social worker who founded Change with One Foundation, under which he runs two programs, Simply Blood and Change with One Meal. Kiran Verma's walk is going to be the longest blood awareness campaign ever by an individual in the world, which will run for more than 2 years. The mission for the walk is to spread awareness about blood donation amongst the people so that nobody should die waiting for blood in India after the 31st of December 2025. Due to COVID, voluntary blood donation in India has gone down significantly for the past 3 years. This walk is to encourage around 5 million new blood donors to donate blood so that blood banks and hospitals don't run dry on blood.
From Kerala to Vendram, and from Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra, Dadaraja, Daman, Diu, Gujarat, Telangana, Andhra, Odisha, West Bengal, Assam, Sikkim, and now Meghalaya. I have covered 15,700 kilometers till now. The only mission behind my walk is that nobody should die waiting for blood after 31st December 2025. Nowhere in India people should die waiting for blood, because every day more than 12,000 people die. And that is only possible when we encourage at least 5 million people all across India. And if you see in Meghalaya, it's more important because out of 12 districts, 5 districts don't have blood bank. And also people in tribal part, they don't have access to blood bank, and also they are not willing to donate blood too often. My focus is to encourage more and more people in Meghalaya, so that in Meghalaya, if there is not even a blood bank, but at least where there are blood bank, they can support other districts as well where there is no blood bank. I was in Tura, I met with the DC sir over there, Jagdishji, and they, after my walk, they started one blood bank in Pulbadi, which was not operational at that moment of time. That is the impact we are creating. In William Nagar is taking support from Tura Blood Bank, Civil Hospital. And when I went there, DC sir also committed there that we are going to try and encourage more and more people. In Meghalaya, all the churches are very strong, and every week people are gathering there for mass, church service. And for me, it is very important to make sure that people who are coming forward at churches every week, they should at least get motivated through blood donation. Because once I went out of Meghalaya, it will be very difficult for me to keep motivating people in Meghalaya. But churches can do. Not just churches, but also other societies as well, like Sikh communities, Marwadi communities, and all these communities. Because these civic societies can create a huge impact. My mission is that because of the Kawai, cancer patients are increasing in Meghalaya, and we can reduce it by donating blood. Because if a person is a regular blood donor, the chances of getting cancer get reduced.